This bus came to our garage after a major accident. Even the engine was badly damaged, so it had to be taken out completely for repair. At first glance, it looked like fixing this bus would be almost impossible. But every vehicle deserves a chance, as long as the work is done the right way. Its flame, its structure, and many other parts were damaged. But step by step, everything was checked, and we decided that this bus can be repaired. Fixing a bus like this takes time, so let's see. How long will it take before this bus returns to the road again?